Hey traders, good evening. This is Cousin Vinny. It's Sunday night, just before futures open, 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Coming to you with some observations of the SP 500 and a couple of stocks that I'm trading going into this week while I'm watching the Dallas Giants game. This is a 60-minute. We've been in this channel for some time. As you can see, when we broke out above resistance in this trading range that we were in, these highs, we broke out here, and we made quite a move from this point. I'm currently looking at the move from this level up to the highs with a little suspicion going forward. I'm looking for, looking for a little bit of a retracement, which we got, and watching this 20 period moving average on the daily for support. On Friday we got a little bounce there, so things are looking good. The 100 EMA and the 50 EMA are both moving up, and the 200 is gradually moving up, so that's looking good. Going back to the hourly, though, it is a little suspect in that we broke down through on Friday, came back up and retested this, so the market's a little iffy right now. So I'm keeping that in mind. I'm also looking at what was resistance before, 1196 being support, and a nice little pullback here makes this a good pullback in a healthy market, right? Anyway, so I'm also trading RIM, and the reason being, we had a nice move up on the daily out of this wedge pattern. We flagged out here. We had a nice consolidation and a squeeze on the Bollinger Bands, and we moved up to the 200 EMA, consolidated along there, and then popped up. We had a little bit of a shooting star candle here where we shot up to the highs at 61.50 where resistance was, going back several years, and then closed lower. But we're above the 8 EMA short-term moving average. Maybe we have a pullback to the 200 EMA, and that's what I'll be watching. But I'm currently long in the calls. I traded this on Thursday. In this area here, out of this Bollinger Band squeeze, and got out of it sometime in the evening. I don't think I hit the total. No, as a matter of fact, I didn't hit the highs. I was like right around 58.40, so I left a little on the table. But I was watching it for the next day entry, and I got it off the support at the 8 short-term EMA, and ran that back up to the high of the day. Actually, I swung this the next day, and I sold this. Looking at the 15-minute, I sold this on this breakdown right around the 8 EMA. When we came down, I sold here, and we actually closed in this candle a little higher, but that's RIM. Elvis, I've been in this short for a number of days now. Looking at the daily, you can see this candle here, shooting star on very high volume. Stochastics moving lower. I think the move is done here, and Bollinger Bands, as you know, 90% of the actions contained in the Bollinger Bands. We could move down to the 20 EMA, or we may move sideways, depending on how we consolidate. We could do sideways or move down. So I'm looking for a move down because of the action after hours on Friday. They got the stock down all the way to $48.20, I believe, at the low. So there is weakness there. If we get down to the 20, I'll sell at that point. Again, this is Cousin Vinny. Remember, trading options involves a lot of risk. Do your research. These are not recommendations to buy. I'm already in. This is just an educational video. Come and see us at Day Trading Radio, and we'll see you in the room. I just want to check and see if Johnny Let's see, it's 5:48, so futures aren't open yet. Again, Cousin Vinny, have a good evening, and we'll see you in the room. Take care.